Maxima and minima. The maxima and minima of a function, known collectively as extrema, are the largest and the smallest value of the function. So a point on the curve whose derivative vanishes is a stationary point, and it is maximum at that point at x equals to a if prime of x equals to 0 and if double prime is negative, whereas it is minimum at x equals to a if prime of x equals to 0 and if double prime of a is positive. So find the maximum and minimum points for the curve x squared minus 4x minus 1. So this one is your f of x. This one is your curve x squared minus 4x minus 1. So steps 1 is set y prime equals to 0. So y prime equals to 2x minus 4, then 2x minus 4 equals to 0, then x equals to 2. So get the points x, y by solving y. So y equals to x squared minus 4x minus 1 or equals to 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 1 equals to minus 5. So your point is 2 then minus 5. The next step is get y prime using x values, and if positive, minimum, if negative, maximum. So this one. So y prime equals to 2x minus 4 and y double prime is equals to 2. So since positive, point 2 minus 5 is minimum. We'll take up number 2. Find the maximum and minimum points for the curve y equals to x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15x minus 5. So this one is your curve there. This one is y equals to f of x. So set y equals to y prime equal to 0. So this one. Set y prime equals to 0. So you have this one. Y prime equals to 3x squared minus 18x plus 15. Then set that one equals to 0. So you have that one 3x squared minus 18x plus 15 equals to 0, or simplify that one x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. So how to get x factor? X minus 5 x minus 1 equals to 0. So you have your x equals to 5 and x equals to 1. get the points x, y, solving y. So when x equals to 5, so when x equals to 5, y equals to 5 cubed minus 9 5 square plus 15 times 5 minus 5 equals to minus 30. So 0.5 then minus 30. The other one is when x equals to 1, y equals to 1 cube minus 9 1 square plus 15 times 1 minus 5. So this one equivalent to 2. So your point is 1 and 2. To check whether this one is maximum or minimum, so get y double prime. So y double prime equals to 6x minus 18. So as x equals to 1, y double prime equals to 6 times 1 minus 18 equals to minus 12. So the point is 1, 2 is maximum. So point 1, 2 is maximum. So the other one at point x equals to 5 to y prime equals to 6 times 5 minus 18 equals to 12. So point minus 5 or 5 minus 30 minus 30 is minimum since positive. So we'll take up the maximum and minimum points. Curve equals to y equal to 3 plus 12 minus x cubed. So this one is the curve y equals to f of x. So y prime equals to 12 minus 3x squared. So set that one to 0. So 3x squared equals to 12. So x equals to plus and minus 2. Plus and minus 2. So when x equals to 2, positive 2, y equals to 3 plus 12 times 2 minus 2 cubed equals to 19. So the point is 2, 19. So when x equals to minus 2, y equals to 3 plus 12 times minus 2 minus 2 cubed equals to minus 13. So the point is 2 minus, so 2 then minus 13 minus 2 then minus 13. So, to check whether this one is minimum or maximum, we have that one, get y double prime. Y double prime equals to minus 6x. So, at 2 and 19, when 2 and 19, y double prime equals to minus 6 times 2 equals to minus 12. Point is maximum. So, at other one is minus 2 minus 13. So y double prime equals to minus 6 times minus 2 equals to 12. Point is minimum since positive. We'll take up 4y equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 12. So the same thing, this one is your form. This one is y equals to f of x. So y prime equal to 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. Put this one to 0, so 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals to 0. Or you have this one, x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Solve for x minus 3, then x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 3, then x equals to minus 1. So get the points. When x equals to 3, y equals to 3 cubed minus 3 squared minus 9 minus 3. So we have this one minus 3 pala. So minus 3, then that one 3 squared minus 9 times 3 plus 4 plus 14. So this one equals to minus 13. So point 3 minus 13. So when x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 1 cubed minus 3 minus 1 squared minus 9 minus 1 plus 14 equals to 9. So point minus 1, 9. So minimum or maximum, get y double prime. So y double prime equals to 6x minus 6. So at point 3 and negative 13, y double prime equals to 6 times 3 minus 6 equals to 12. So minimum, point minimum. So at point 3 minus 13, at this one is at point minus 1, 9. So this one is at point correction. So this one is at point 3 minus 13. This one is at point minus 1, 9. So y double prime equals to 6 times minus 1 minus 6 equals to minus 12 point maximum. So these are the 3 steps used in determining maximum and minimum points. So step 1, y prime 0, solve for x. Step 2, solve for the point. And 3, check if the y double prime is positive or negative. Pag positive, it is minimum. If negative, it is maximum.